Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my dear students, I hope this video finds you and your family healthy and safe. Today we're covering lesson 3D. The title of our lesson is Think Healthy. What do you think about fast food? Yes, it's yummy, tastes good. Fast food means the food that you can get fast, like from McDonald's, from KFC, from Al-Bake. Why do people like it? People like fast food for 3 reasons. Because it is fast, you can get it fast. The second reason is because it's cheap, doesn't cost much, little money. Reason number 3, because it is tasty, it tastes good, yummy. All right. Here, 2 experts are talking about fast food. They are talking about how good the food is. Is it good or not? Should we eat it? Should we stop it, avoid it? The first guy, Peter Swain, says this. Do you feel like some fast food? Remember, fast food is bad for you. He thinks it's bad for you. We need protein in our diet. Diet means the food we eat. So protein in our food or our diet to be strong and healthy. And our body needs a little fat, a little bit of fat, not much fat. A lot of fat is wrong, is bad. That's the problem with the fast food, a lot of fat. But fast food isn't the answer. When you need that fat, don't go for fast food. It's not what you need. Eating a few chips every now and then doesn't make you unhealthy. A few chips, okay. Every now and then, not a lot. This is okay. Potatoes are rich in carbohydrates. When you eat potatoes, your body takes carbohydrates from the potatoes. And they give you energy. So, we eat potatoes because they have carbohydrates, which gives us energy that we need for our body. Just don't overdo it with fried food. Overdo means do a lot. Overdo, that's not good. For some vitamins, choose a fresh salad with olive oil. If you need some vitamins, eat salad and add to it some olive oil. Nowadays, most fast food places have salad bars. When you go to a fast food restaurant, some of them, most of them, they have bar that you have salads on it, different salads. So you can add salad to your fast food to make it a little bit better. So avoid fast food, avoid it, don't go for it. Eating too much of it is unhealthy. If you eat a lot of it, it's not healthy. This is what Peter Swain says. Let's see what Rosalind Mack says. She says, fast food is junk food. Fast food is bad food, junk food. It's full of fat. It has a lot of fat. Salt, a lot of salt. And sugar, a lot of sugar too. And it doesn't contain many vitamins. There is not much vitamin in it. Many teenagers have made fast food an important part of their diet and are overweight. Many of teenagers like you, at your age, eat a lot of junk food or fast food, and they made it their regular food. And that's why they became overweight, fat, big. Also, they don't exercise enough. They don't go for exercise enough. They don't do much exercise. So at some point, they will probably have health problems. At some point, at some time, they will start having health problems. Teens need to avoid fast food. They should eat home-cooked meals. Leave fast food and eat meals that are cooked at home. And lots of salads. You should eat lots of salads. Why? Because they have vegetables. And vegetables can give your body vitamins, which are good for you. They should drink lots of milk instead of soft drinks. Soft drinks like Pepsi. Don't drink soft drinks like that, drink milk. It's better. Milk and dairy products. Dairy products are all the things that are made of milk, like cheese and these things, and yogurt. We call them dairy products. They are rich in protein. They have a lot of protein. And calcium. They have a lot of calcium. And are necessary for healthy teeth and bones. Calcium is good for your bones and your teeth. Who said that? Rosalind Mack. Now, let's answer these questions to make sure we understand. Why are proteins good for us? Proteins are very good for us. Why? Exactly, because they make us strong and healthy. According to Peter Swain, the first guy, why aren't chips totally unhealthy? Excellent. He said a little bit of chips, few chips every now and then are okay, because chips have carbohydrates, but they have fat too, a lot of fat. So eating a lot of it is not good, but every now and then is okay, is healthy. Because potatoes are rich in carbohydrates and they give us energy. Number 3, what does he say about fast food places? Fast food places, the restaurants that provide fast food. Yes. Nowadays, most fast food places have salad bars. The bar where you can find different salads, so you can order salad with your fast food. Now, according to Rosalind, what does fast food contain? What does it have? A lot of fat, a lot of salt, and a lot of sugar. According to Rosalind, why will teenagers probably have problems with their health if they keep eating fast food? Why would they have problems with their health? Because it doesn't have much vitamin. It has high sugar, salt, and fat, and it makes them overweight. Because they have made fast food an important part of their diet. It became a big part of their diet. They eat a lot of it. They are overweight. They get fat and big. Also, they don't exercise enough. They don't do much exercise. They eat fast food and they don't do exercise, so they become overweight. And number 6, what should teenagers do to change their diet? More exercise, eat food that is cooked at home, and they should avoid fast food, eat home-cooked meals, and lots of salad. What else? Don't drink. And drink. Excellent job. And drink lots of milk instead of soft drinks. Don't drink soft drinks, go for milk. All right. This is not new. We talked about this in the lessons before. How much? How many? Much? Many? A lot of? Lots of, a few, a little. How much when we ask about something we can't count? For example, how much water do you have? Do you drink? How many is for the things we can count. How many students are there in your class? Much is to talk about something uncountable, but you don't need to ask. I drink much water every day. Many? There are many students who are listening to me right now. A lot of and lots of. These are sisters. A lot of talks about the things we can't count, uncountables. Lots of, look, it says lots of. Lots of is for the countable ones, but plural, many, more than one. Remember? Singular means one. Plural, more than one. Lots of is for plural, that means more than one. A few, small in number, Okay? There are a few students in our class that have the name Ahmed. A little, the opposite to much. Much is a lot in uncountable. Little, not much of uncountable. For example, water. Much water, little water. But a few and many are the opposites. Many in number, many books, a few books. One more thing, how much we can also use it for asking about money. How much money? How much is this chair? How much is this book? How much is this shirt? Like the lesson we took yesterday, that the guy who bought a suit or a shirt, and the guy who bought the white shoes. All right, let's answer this exercise to make sure we understand. Number one, how much or how many? We need to choose. Sugar do you put in your coffee? Sugar, can we count sugar? We can't count it. So should we take how much or how many? Excellent. How much sugar do you put in your coffee? Number two, I haven't got money. Money. Should we say many money or much money? We talked about this in class. Money, we can't count it. We count reals, we count dollars, we count pounds. But the word money, there is no money, monies, no. So we say much money. Excellent. Much money. Number three, Fran can't talk to you right now. She's got of work. Work. Yes. Should we say a lot of work or lots of work? Lots of work? Is it plural? You may have guessed it right. Number four, this book has lots of or many information. Can we count information? No. Information is information the whole time. So we say lots of information, not many. Many is for the things we can count. Number five, people. Can we count people? Excellent, yes we can. So we say much people or many people? Many people. Number six, help. Help. A few help, small in number, or a little help, just a little bit of help. A little help. Excellent job. Remember to finish the exercises on page 158 and 161 in your grammar book for extra practice. If you've got any questions, please send me messages on the school's website. Listening time. Now, this is an interview. A man will be asking a teenager just like you questions about his diet, how he is used to eat. Let's listen and be ready to answer these questions by saying true or false.
3. Listen. Listen to a man interviewing a boy for a survey about teenagers' eating habits and write T for true or F for false.
Hello there. Could I ask you a few questions for a survey about teens and healthy eating? It won't take long.
Sure, why not?
First of all, how many litres of water do you think you should drink every day?
I think about 2 litres a day. At least that's how much I drink. Is that okay?
Yes, that's good. What about when you're exercising?
I play tennis, but I don't really drink more.
Well, you should drink half a litre before you start exercising, and if it's hot, you should drink a bit every 15 minutes.
That sounds like good advice.
Now, 40% of your daily food should be what?
Fruit and vegetables, probably. They're very good for you.
That's true, but the answer is actually carbohydrates.
Like bread and pasta?
That's right. And if you do a lot of exercise, you should eat more.
Okay.
Do you drink milk?
Not really. I usually have some on my cereal. I don't really like it. Should I? I mean, I'm not a child anymore.
Well, a person your age should eat or drink about 600 millilitres of dairy products every day.
Does that include yogurt? Because I eat a lot of yogurt, and I love cheese.
Well, that should be enough then.
What about sweets? I want to stop eating them, but I just can't.
Listen, sweets are okay if you don't eat too many. That's the thing to remember. Don't overdo it. Okay, just a few more questions.
All right, they talked about all the things that you should eat and the things you should not eat much of. They talked about protein and vitamins and dairy products like milk, and they talked about what else? Let's answer true or false, and we will remember it together. Number 1, the boy doesn't drink enough water when exercises. When he's doing the exercise, he doesn't drink enough water. He drinks 2 liters a day, which is very good. But that's if you're not exercising, if you're not doing sport. If you do sport, half a liter before it. So, he does not drink enough. He should drink more. Number 2, the boy should drink half a liter of water every 15 minutes when exercising. When you're doing sports, every 15 minutes, half a liter. Is that true? That's a lot. No, you don't need to do this. You need to drink a little bit every 15 minutes. Number 3, 40% of teenagers' daily food should be fruit and vegetables. 40% fruit and vegetables? Not really. Teenagers need a lot of energy for their bodies. So they need 40%, but not fruit and vegetables. They need 40% of carbohydrates. So this is false. Number 4, the boy should eat more carbohydrates if he exercises a lot. If you're doing sport, you should eat carbohydrates, extra carbohydrates, if you're exercising. Is that correct? Excellent job. Number 5, the boy doesn't get enough dairy products. Dairy products like yogurt and milk, he does not get enough. That's false, because he said he loves yogurt. He eats a lot of yogurt, which is good for him. He drinks a little bit of milk for his cereal, like corn flakes, but he eats a lot of yogurt, which is good. That means he gets enough. Number 6, the man tells the boy to avoid eating sweets completely, 0 sweets. That's false, because he said a little bit of sweets is okay. They did not say cancel it completely. He said just have a little bit. Now, I would like you to look at these meals and think, is this meal healthy? Yes or no? Is it healthy or unhealthy? Healthy or unhealthy? Read the things that are in each meal and think. If it's healthy, why? What does it have? If it's unhealthy, why? What's in it that makes it unhealthy? For example, the first one, fish, potatoes, peas, carrots, and lemon. I think this is a healthy one. You can have your protein, your carbohydrates, your vitamins through your vegetables, and the lemon too. So I believe this sounds like a healthy meal. Think of all the other ones. Ask yourself, is it healthy or unhealthy, and why? The last part of our lesson. These are questions for you. You should think of the answer of all these questions and make them ready. Write them down. Why? Because the answer of all these questions will be your writing exercise. So for these questions, write the answer of each one in full sentence. Once you do, you will have your writing ready. For example, the first one, do you follow a healthy diet? You should answer it like that. If you think your diet is healthy, your eating is healthy, you can say, I follow a healthy diet. This is a full sentence, which is ready for your writing. Or if you think your diet is unhealthy, you should say, I don't follow a healthy diet. If you do the same for all the sentences, you will have all your 5 sentences ready for your writing, and your writing will be ready. Just copy the sentences there, you're done. If you've got any questions, please do not hesitate to send me messages on the school website. I'll be waiting for them to answer them all. Until we meet with the next lesson, goodbye.